In this video, I want to take the time and explain what each of these buttons on your HP Smart Tank printer is doing. What are their purpose? And sometimes there's even some combination of these buttons you can press to unlock different features. So let's get started right away. If the display of your printer is not turned on, but the printer is actually turned on, simply by pressing the X button over here will wake up the screen. Let's start talking about these two buttons on the top over here. On your printer, they may not be lit up. These buttons are for the copy machine. If you input a document over here and you close the scan lid, you're going to see them being lit up. To make a color copy, you're going to press this green button. To make a black and white copy, you're going to press this white button over here. If you want to make multiple copies, let's say 5, you simply have to press the button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're going to see the number over here updating to 5, and 5 copies will come out of the printer. This middle button over here is to make an ID copy. Now over here we have the Wi-Fi button, and this is important. If this Wi-Fi button is flashing blue, it means that the printer is in pairing mode. It's waiting to get connected to your Wi-Fi network. If you want to enable the Wi-Fi direct feature, this logo over here, you see on the top. If you want to put this printer in WPS mode, you simply have to keep press this Wi-Fi button during 3 seconds until the X button is lit up. And now simply go on your Wi-Fi router, press the WPS button, and the printer will connect to your Wi-Fi router. This I button is to print information depending what you're looking for. So right now, if I press the button, I will get a sheet of paper telling me what's the Wi-Fi direct name and Wi-Fi direct password. And finally, we have these buttons, the arrow pointing down. This one is to resume. So let's say you're trying to print something, but there's no paper in the back. Well, you'll get an error message. Put the paper in the printer and press the resume button to resume the job. You also have an X button over here. This is to cancel a job. So let's say you sent something to get printed, but you change your mind, press the X button, and the print will get canceled. If you want to reset the Wi-Fi network, press this I button until the whole control panel is lit up. And now you're going to press the Wi-Fi button and the X button both at the same time for 3 seconds. And this will reset the Wi-Fi network. And you'll be able to connect to a new network afterwards. Now, I cannot illustrate over here, but if I take the manual, if you're looking at the display and you're seeing these icons over here, these are the print heads. If they're flashing, depending which one is flashing, it simply means that there's an error somewhere about the print heads. Maybe you need to replace them, maybe they're clogged. Definitely there's an issue. It doesn't tell you what it is, but at least you know there's a problem. The color print head is the one with 3 dots. The black ink print head is the one with 1 dot. And if on the display you're seeing one of these droplets blinking, depending which one it is, so this one is for the cyan, the blue, magenta for the red, and yellow, this one, it signifies that there's an issue with that. So maybe you need to refill your printer if, let's say, the last one, the yellow one, is blinking. But overall, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Leave a comment down below if it was. Leave a comment if it wasn't. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.